This song's called Song on the Times. It's from the 1840s. You working men of England, one moment now attend, while I unfold the treatment of the poor upon this land. For nowadays the factory lords have brought the labour low, and daily are contriving plans to prove our overthrow. So arouse you sons of freedom, the world seems upside down. They scorn the poor man as a thief in country and in town. There's different parts in Ireland, it's true what I do state. There's hundreds that are starving for they can't get food to eat. And if they go unto the rich to ask them for relief, they bang the door all in their face as if they were a thief. So arouse you sons of freedom, the world seems upside down. They scorn the poor man as a thief in country and in town. Alas, how altered are the times, rich men despise the poor, and pay them off without remorse, quite scornful at their door. And if a man is out of work, his parish pay is small, enough to starve himself and wife, his children and all. So arouse you sons of freedom, the world seems upside down. They scorn the poor man as a thief in country and in town. So to conclude and finish these few verses I have made, I hope to see before it's long men for their labour paid. Then we'll rejoice with heart and voice and banish all our woes. Before we do, old England must pay us what she owes. So arouse you sons of freedom, the world seems upside down. They scorn the poor man as a thief in...
What this basically is, what you're seeing here now, 3 years ago when we were doing this, we had 20, 30 people. We have united and we have come together of all the veteran groups. In total there's 101 different groups. There's 4.8 million veterans in the UK. 4.2 million of them reside in the UK. We need to come together.
Yay!
So first person I'm going to bring up is not a man of many words, unless he records it. Yeah, believe it or not, he's a shaman. Yeah. Somebody give him the name, the Mad Viking. I give him that name because I watched one of his videos and I thought, he is crackers. But he has got some testicles on him and he's willing to stand up and speak for every single last one of you that's here today and that isn't here today. So I present to you Dean Cumberpatch, the Mad Viking.
Dean! Go on, Dean! Hey! Hero! 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 Hero!
Right, for them that don't know me, I am a veteran and I'm suffering from a degenerative terminal illness. And I can't go to my grave knowing that these people are hanging our veterans out to dry and chucking them under the fucking buses. End of. Right, so first of all, I wouldn't be here without my wife. She is my backbone, and the same as every other veteran here. Our wives are our backbones, right? And thanks to all the women for turning up today. I'm not much of a speaker, but
Yeah, come on, Deanie. Go, Dean.
Come on, son. Right, so this is the start of something that's going to get big now.
Yeah.
because we need direct action against them in there. And I, for one, am personally prepared to put my life on the line to stop the prosecution of our veterans. Right, so I'll keep it short and sweet, and I'll let people that can proper talk have their say. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you very, very much for everybody that's turned up, that supports, that likes us, that does whatever you've got to do. Thank you, guys.
Hey! Hey! Hooray!
Go on, keep it going for Dean Cumberpatch, the Mad Viking.
Hey!
I'll be saying bits and pieces in between the speakers on statistics and figures. There's some high profile people in this crowd. Yeah, Phil Campion, you're one of them, Big Phil. So it'll be streaming to everyone. So them that haven't got their phones out, get them out, live stream it to your veteran groups, share it to your friends and family, and push and stand together. So, what's happening since? The BBC will not give us air coverage. So we went to the BBC. We did 8 cities. We did Belfast, Glasgow, Manchester, Durham, Birmingham, Bristol, Cardiff and London. On the day, there were nearly 300,000 veterans out. This week here, we have good numbers, but there are thousands on the way to join us. The numbers will keep growing because, like Dean said, and the other organisers, we are here for a week. So why are we here? How many of you out there know how many veterans are being investigated or have had letters at the minute? How many? That's the answer, too many. 200 veterans have been given notification that they are to be investigated. There is 29 cases ongoing at the minute. And for the police officers that are here, that are veterans, once they've done for us, they're coming for you.
Yes.
They've already come for one of you, so instead of being against us, stand with us. Stand tall.
Yes. Stuart, yeah. Thank you very much, Stuart.
And on that point, I'm going to accommodate and say thanks to the police because they have made this possible. You're not even allowed a speaker system here, but they got it sorted out for us. So fair play to them. They're on side. Everybody says that there are rogue veterans out there. Yeah? I am a veteran before you all go mad and I say, yeah, there may be. But they should be dealt with there and then. Yeah? That's what inquiries are for. But they were took, the Queen's shilling, and were there doing a job for them.
They gave me orders.
They should be on trial. Have you all heard of the Savile inquiry? That have been investigated.
Jimmy, I'm bringing
You back on. A lot of veterans